Hi vloggers, TikTokers, and YouTubers! Are you currently looking for a high quality but affordable wireless microphone? Well, you might want to consider this one. This is the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone, and it's now officially available at JG Superstore. Alright, so before anything, I want to give you a quick unboxing of the product. And I also want to say that I am recording this voiceover using the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone. In this video, I'll talk about the features that I like about the Ulanzi J12. And if you're interested, join me. Let's go! The Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone supports a transmission distance of up to 20 meters. And that is very useful when you're recording videos away from your camera, such as this one. So what can you say about the audio quality? Do you think you can use this for your talking head shots or your narration? Do you think you can use this for vlogging? This is a sample video recorded using my Android smartphone, and the sound is recorded using the onboard microphones of the device. And now, this is a sample video recorded using my Android smartphone, but the sound is recorded using the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone. So can you hear the difference? How about the ambient noise? Does it sound less noisy? Ulanzi J12 supports 3 levels of ambient noise reduction or noise cancellation, which you can control using the button on the transmitter. So there you have it. So now, let's turn on level 1 by clicking on the button. So here is level 1 noise cancellation on the Ulanzi J12. So what can you say about the sound quality? What can you say about the ambient noise? Okay, let's listen to it first. Okay, now let's jump to level 2. So you can do that by clicking on the button again, just once. And you will see the green light flash twice. So this is level 2 noise reduction or noise cancellation on the Ulanzi J12. So what can you say about the sound quality? So there's currently a gust of wind. Do I sound muffled? Do I still sound clear? Let me know. And now we can jump to level 3 again by clicking on the button once. And you will see 3 flashes of the green light. Okay, and finally we are at level 3 of ambient noise reduction or noise cancellation on the Ulanzi J12. So what can you say? Does it sound a lot less noisy than level 1 and level 2, or does it sound more or less the same? Let me know. How about my sound quality, the sound quality of my vocals? Do I sound muffled or do I still sound clear? So, the Ulanzi J12 is now officially available at JG Superstore. You can get the USB Type-C version with 2 transmitters for 1,579 pesos and the Lightning port version for the Apple iPhone for only 1,619 pesos. Again, I highly recommend the Ulanzi J12, and you can get it at JG Superstore.